3 ways to get rid from fake olive oils. Olive oil has so many health benefits of Mediterranean diet, and it has the ability to reduce the risk of heart disease, lower your cholesterol, weight loss and other health benefits, and regulates blood sugar. In fact, consumption of olive oil has increased from day to day when compared to previous. Olive oil is a product just like other products like wheat, dairy, wine, etc. There are some organizations that produce standards and analysis methods. When we are talking about the production of olive oil is mainly from Spain, Italy and Greece. Generally, people believe the FDA is carefully watching out for and policing food fraud, but it is not real. Its main focus is to an ingredient label is accurate and tracks food-related disease outbreaks. Now, take a simple test. If you already bought an olive oil, do some test whether it is genuine or not. Directions. Pour 2 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil into a clean glass jar. Now, seal the jar tightly. Put the jar in the fridge for 24 hours. If the oil in jar gets solidifies, then it is treated as monounsaturated and is virgin olive oil. If the oil remains a liquid, then it is polyunsaturated and is not pure olive oil. 3 ways to consider what you are buying is pure or not. How is it packed? Don't fall for fancy package because the oil in that package may not be original. First, see the manufacturing country, and a manufacturing country does not necessarily mean that olives are produced and pressed in same country. Quality higher-end products should state which city it comes from. For example, if it is manufactured in Italy, we have to know from which place exactly it made in Italy. So try to avoid thinking foolishly that good package is good quality. Take a closer look on the label. There are few other things we have to know by seeing label. Pure olive oil can be stored for 2 years without use of any preservatives. Make sure you have to see expiry date before buying the product. The other date we have to check is harvest date. If there is no harvest date, then it may be considered as years old or may not be olive oil. Sometimes quality information indicates the production location. We have to remember one thing, that olive oil is not like wine, its flavors does not improve the age. Newer is better and has good flavors. The price of olive oil is not show any guarantee of quality. Choosing cheapest bottle means you are getting cheap oil. This tells what you are getting is what you are actually paying. When you buy any product from other country, means it costs more because of transportation rates are high. While buying the products from other countries, look for third-party certification seal. It helps to choose better products. Generally, good olive oil should smell and color appears green, bright, peppery, earthy, grassy, etc. Conclusion. So, don't consider anything by its label cost. We hope you have known the facts about olive oil and how you have tested your oil is virgin or not, because your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.